Love yourself first, and everything else falls into line. When you truly value yourself, your decisions begin to change. You stop accepting less than you're capable of. You stop chasing opportunities that leave you exhausted and underappreciated, and you start building a life that reflects your worth. Loving yourself isn't about being selfish. It's about recognizing that your time, your talent, and your future have value. It's choosing growth over comfort, purpose over excuses, and long-term freedom over short-term security. The people who create extraordinary lives aren't necessarily the smartest or the luckiest. They're the ones who finally decide they're worth the effort. They invest in themselves, develop new skills, surround themselves with the right people, and refuse to let fear dictate their future. Imagine building a business where every customer you help creates lasting value, not only for them, but for you as well. Helping families and businesses reduce an expense they already have isn't just good business. It's making a real difference while creating recurring income that can continue to grow month after month. Your future doesn't change because you hope it will. It changes the moment you decide you're worth more and take action. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.